Welcome back everyone to viralstocks.io. Boy, oh boy, have you guys been following along on the channel? Have you been following along on Twitter and StockTwits? We caught a huge winner. Stock we just mentioned in, what was that, 2 days ago's video, 3 days ago maybe, is now up 120%. That was a triple digit winner on these stocks. I know you see the titles, triple digit gains coming. I am not lying. That was absolutely amazing to hit those triple digit gains. If you guys are following along with the channel, you are signed up at viralstocks.io and getting our stock alerts, then you are absolutely winning even though this market continues to trend downwards. We're going to be talking about that stock in today's video, but first off here, welcome to viralstocks.io. If you guys are new, we focus on penny stocks, we focus on high probability trading opportunities, and we make that happen, guys. We have a ton of stuff here on YouTube, ton of stuff here on our website. You can go over, check out all of our stock articles. We're about to be pumping out probably at least one article a day here coming soon on hot penny stocks that you guys can capitalize on. And if you want to take that a step further, make sure you're signed up at viralstocks.io, completely free. All you have to do is enter in your email and enter in your phone number. You also get our completely free penny stock ebook. As soon as you type in your email, you'll get that to see exactly how we enter and exit these trades and what exactly we look for. This book is extremely valuable, all for completely free, guys. So make sure you're signed up here to get our penny stock alerts. We actually have one coming up next week. I do think it's going to be a pretty big winner, even if the market is going down. Like we're going to look at today, things run every single day. Even though the market's going down, we can make tons of money here on penny stocks. So let's get started in today's video. Oh my gosh, it is up even higher. Every time I refresh the page here, this stock just keeps going up. So as we can see, Revlon, the ticker symbol REV here. We were talking about this stock at $1.70 in the last video. Why on earth was I mentioning this stock? Because it was one of my all-time favorite plays. If you can see here, early June 9th, this stock announced that it was going to file Chapter 11 bankruptcy. It fell off a cliff here, to say the very least, right? Why did it fall off a cliff? Obviously because of that news, but ultimately, what happens here? Now, usually it does not happen in this big of an effect, but I've been telling you guys this for weeks and weeks and weeks. This is one of my favorite strategies in the market. Listen, the only quote you need: every reaction is an overreaction in these markets. Use that quote to your advantage. When you see a massive sell-off in the market, whatever it may be, especially with penny stocks immediately like this, that is an overreaction. Every reaction is an overreaction. So obviously the market overreacted, completely sold this off. Guess what's more than likely to happen? A bounce. Now, hey, we bounced just a little bit, like we mentioned in the last video, a little bit, right? 92% here. Usually we don't bounce this much, but usually you can catch 20, 30, 40% winners very easily. This has bounced almost 300% since those lows. That is absolutely massive. You guys saw us talking about it in this video at $1.70. Looks like it's not even going to let me get there on the chart. Let's see if it'll let me here. Okay, we should be able to get it here. So let's see. Well, that's $1.60. We'll go with $1.60. Just before we mentioned it in our last video here, up 170%. This is almost a 200% winner for you guys. Shout out to everyone that was able to capitalize on it. Like I said, mentioning it in the last video, this is also one of my favorite setups to look for. Every reaction is an overreaction in the market. We saw that massive sell-off. Great opportunity to get in, ride that wave up a little bit. If you're still in it, you're still making an absolute ton of money, which is just ridiculous, right? But understand that this reaction is probably an overreaction as well, and you will see a sell-off in this stock. So make sure you're getting out, banging those profits, moving on to the next play. That's the name of the game here at viralstocks.io. We're not here to get married to any stocks. We're not here to find your next long-term stock. We're not here to find the dividend stocks. We're here to find stocks like ticker symbol REV and absolutely capitalize on them. Now, obviously this stock has already ran. I would not say, hey, get into REV right now. You guys are going to make a ton of money. Definitely not. I would definitely not say that whatsoever, because more than likely, every reaction is an overreaction. I'm going to beat that into your head. More than likely, the stock's going to sell off here. But if you guys want to find the next play, like I said, we call these things every single week. Every single week, we're calling bangers in this market. You know, hey, not financial advice. We can't, our past results can't reflect future results. We have no idea what's going to happen here, but we have been killing it in this market. So if you guys want to make sure you get our next stock alert before everyone else here on YouTube, sign up at viralstocks.io with your email and your phone number. We will make sure you guys get the next alert as a text message in the morning, 9 a.m. or 9:30 a.m. right before the market opens, before anyone else. Make sure you sign up there. It is free, and if you don't like it, hey, unsubscribe. It takes about a whole 2 seconds, okay? But anyways, massive win there for REV. I just can't get over it. One of the biggest wins. We'll come back at the end of the video. We'll see if the stock has gone up even higher. But you guys also remember Redbox. This is another absolutely huge winner for us. We see it selling off now, but we were able to ride this stock. Hey, it just depends. Were you here when we were talking about this stock at $3 and $4? If not, were you here when we were beating the door at $5? How about $6? Rode this thing all the way up to $19. It doesn't even show it here. $19 in the pre-market this stock hit. Hey, if you could have sold out at $9, still huge win on this stock. We've been beating Redbox into the bush, probably too much, but it is proved to be an absolutely massive winner, and I personally still think this stock has massive opportunities. Let's let it cool off here, possibly get back in for another ride. The short squeeze numbers are still absolutely ridiculous, right? Another one of our winners, ticker symbol IMPP. Good to see a sell-off here, right? I think they had an offering, they had earnings, a couple things that pretty much made the stock sell off here, but we were in this stock at around 40-some cents, probably, 5 videos ago maybe, so probably 2 weeks ago maybe, and this stock ran all the way up to $1 in the pre-market. 109%. Like I said, doesn't even show it on here. It's only saying 88 cents. That's because that was probably during trading hours. Pre-market, this thing hit over $1, which, yes, you could have sold and gotten out if you have access to pre-market trading, right? So huge win there for IMPP. Second time, double, triple dipping on this stock. We just keep hitting IMPP. We were in this stock here. We were able to catch about 500% gains of this massive run here back in, what was that, March or February? Huge run there. We've double dipped multiple times since then. Now, guess what? Coming back down to a buy zone here. Goldman Sachs still thinks oil is going to keep rallying. They still see it hitting $140 a barrel. Gas over $5 a gallon, which it already is here, but so we could probably see 6. I'm paying 6 something for diesel, right? So it just keeps going up. That means more opportunity for penny stocks here, specifically related to oil. IMPP, INDO, NINE, HUSA, CEI, even energy stock, you name it. All those stocks, huge opportunities here in the penny stock world. Because guess what? Yeah, you can make money on oil. You can make money on oil futures. You can make money on ExxonMobil, Chevron, all those bigger stocks, right? 100%. But guess what runs even more? You're not going to see ExxonMobil jump 100%. You're going to see it jump 20. What are you going to see it jump 100% on the same news? IMPP, right? It's why I like to play penny stocks. Yes, the risks are much bigger. That's why we keep stop losses and, we be particular with these stocks, take profits early, the whole 9, but the moves are so much bigger. So obviously, all these stocks have ran already. Make sure you sign up at viralstocks.io so I can get that sent to your email and your phone number before the bell when we release these stocks. You can get them before anyone else. But take a look at this. This is another stock right here. Ticker symbol, excuse me. Ticker symbol MREO. Murio, hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. Biopharma group right here. This stock is up 86% today on some good news. Let's take a look at the news so we can get an idea of what to look for. Okay, this is going to be a buyout here. We love buyouts, right? If you're in a biotech stock, specifically small ones, yes, you believe in the company, you love the company, you think they're going to go up and all these different things. We're just here for catalysts or FDA approvals, but regardless, that's what a lot of people think of. But you're always hoping for a buyout from a big dog. You want a buyout. You want a buyout because guess what? That they usually overpay, tons of goodwill in the deal, and you ultimately make out huge as a shareholder, right? So now we can see AstraZeneca here, ticker symbol AZN on the NASDAQ, is rumored to be taking over Miro Biopharma Group. That is ticker symbol or MREO on the NASDAQ, according to a report in New York Times. The Times says they would accept $5, equating to $500 million there, right? Ooh, stock could even go up even higher, but usually they go up to the price that they're going to pay, right? So guess what? This is just the beginning of the deal. They gave him a number, I think, or at least mentioned something about the number, around $5 per share. And his stock is already up 93% today. Let's see what is up over the last 5 days. So 135% over the last 5 days here. Guess what happens if this deal actually happens and they do get $5? This stock is literally going to go to $4 or $5 per share. I can almost guarantee it. That's usually what happens, right? No guarantees actually, but that is usually what happens. So keep an eye on MREO. If we do get a deal announced here, this stock could rocket. But wait for a pullback if you want to get in. Also, wait for a catalyst because who knows if it's actually going to happen or not. But regardless, this is what I want to show you. Look at SPY. Look at SPY. Down 3% over the last 5 days. Today, I think it is up slightly. Yeah, up 1% today. Woo, great. A month, down 10%. 6 months, 19%. I mean, we are just on a massive, massive sell-off here. Huge, huge sell-off. Down over 22% just in the last 6 months here. You know, if you go from the highs to the lows. But my point is, take a look at this. SPY's down, right? That's overall market index. S&P 500, essentially. Take a look at this. Penny stock, 58% gains today. Another penny stock, QK there, up 20% just today. Another stock, blue here, another NASDAQ stock, 22% just today. REV, 100% gains on. Redbox, we made 100% gains on. IMPP, we made 100% gains on. MREO, up 95% today. What does this tell you? There's opportunities in this market every single day of the week. I know people get discouraged. They don't want to be in the market when it's like this. But guys, there's tons of opportunities in the market every single day. Me, the team here at viralstocks.io, we research these stocks, we scan for these stocks, we find the best opportunities for you, and we send them out as stock alerts. Our best ones are sent out as stock alerts, but we do not mention them here on the channel. And then also, we also will put videos out here on YouTube to find you guys amazing plays as well. I mean, hey, like I said, can't predict future results, but we've had an insane win record even while the market keeps trending downwards. REV being one of the biggest winners over the last couple of weeks here. Looks like it is dropping down slightly, but that is expected. Guys, that's all I got for you in today's video. These stocks have already ran. If you guys want to find the next big winner, I don't care what SPY is doing. All I care about is our penny stock wins. Then I suggest you sign up here at viralstocks.io. Enter in your email, your phone number. Link will be in the description below. I better see you there to get our stock alert next week. You will get it before the bell, before everyone else, guys. That's all I got for you in today's video, and I will see you all in the next one.